Puzzle racer. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So knight e3. Let's go. Rook takes, and we have queen takes here, and we have bishop takes. Okay, queen c3 to b2. All right, now we can win the queen, and yeah, I think we can pin the queen. All right, we can skewer. That's nice to get a skewer. Form pawn. Check to win the bishop. Deflection. Check. Sort of mating. Okay, here we can. Let's see. What can we do here? Oh, interesting. Double attack. And here we can open up an attack against the queen. And we've got nothing protected there. Our queen protected. Skewer. Nice skewer. And okay, here I think we can mate. And here we can fork or win the queen. Here it looks queen h4 is pretty forcing. Queen h3. Oh, got that wrong. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Oh, and another one. Let's focus. Focus, Kingscrusher. Focus. Okay, I think maybe rook takes. No. What? That's what is going on here? Oh, second. Oh dear. Let's try again. Let's try again.
8, 7, 6.
I think
5,
I might put more of
4, 3,
the racing
2,
track there, but it's
1,
difficult. It's difficult to put
0.
the racing track on the template here, guys. I don't know. That's an improvement sometime. Let's just win that rook. Okay, let's win that. Fork. And kind of fork. And we can take here. And mating here with... Okay, so queen e7 is a fork. And now check is a skewer. Pin. And pass pawn is the issue. Double attack. And here we can double attack there. Back row mate issue. And here, oh, it's interesting. Oh. What is going on here? I can try to check, but I don't see the point. What is the point of this? Let me skip that one. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Okay. There is a skip. I use the skip. Yep. Things are getting tough sometimes. Okay, so bishop takes g7. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Okay, we can... Ooh, looks scary for e1. Check. Sorts out e1. Okay, so here... Whoa, managed to win this race. Just about. Okay, let's go again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, let's take this knight off. Take the rook off, essentially. And that's awkward, isn't it? Okay. And here is awkward as well. These discovered attacks. And I assume f8 is an issue here. Common square, unprotected piece, mating, and pin. No, not pin. Look at that too quickly. No, messing up. And here we go. Bishop e4. Does that trap the queen? And let's win that rook. And d7 looks strong. Bridge. Build. And here it looks all very scary. Oh, it looks as though we're getting mated. Okay, I'll take here. Okay, that saves the day. And again, looks scary. Maybe this kind of saves the day. Oh, and g3 or king g1. Maybe g3 is not particularly good. Maybe. Oh, I thought maybe bishop f1. Maybe not. Take the queen off here, and let's go for that pin. third. Terrible, terrible. And there's this guy with 68 here. 68. I had 47. Yeah. Oh man. Okay.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Focus.
1, 0.
Focus. Focus. Okay. And here, what's the idea? What's the idea? Ooh. I have no idea. Oh, hang on. I've got a queen over there. That helps. Okay. Take that queen off. Pin. Mating. And this seems to be winning material. This seems to be winning material. And here, okay, let's go with, oh, that's interesting. Yes, let's go with that. And let's go with that. And that. And let's go with, interesting, this, hitting the queen. And taking f5. And using the pin. Okay, maybe bishop f6. Is that a move? It is indeed. Okay, okay, okay. Rookie 4. Okay. Oh, managed to win this one. Crushingly, 61 by 10 points. Crazy crushing, second 51. Okay, managed to get that one. I wonder if I can put more of the racetrack on. How would I do that, guys? How would I do that? That's a mystery. I can step out, maybe step out the resolution. I don't really want to change my resolution. Where do I put the racetrack? I have no idea. I just have to show you the racetrack after. It was a suggestion on a previous video. Yeah. Okay. Something to think about.
5.
Let's have
4,
another one.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, let's take her. Let's mate. Let's mate. Mate. And what is this? It's mate time. Winning rook. Okay. Taking this guy. And mate time again after king g6. Oh, don't know necessarily. Okay, so what about here? This pin. Okay, and here queen e2, back row, and pin. And why not? And why not? And why not? And why not here? Okay. And why not here? Okay. And here, what is the trick here? What is the trick here? Oh, I'm missing it. I'm missing a trick. Oh, I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna have to skip. Whatever that is, I don't know. That's just crazy. Okay. And okay, we can win that one. We'll do this one, and that covers some escape squares. Let's take that. Is it not check? Oh, third. Wow. Wow, these races, these public
6,
races are pretty
5,
tough.
4,
Focus. Let's focus
3,
again. Focus
2,
again.
1,
Focus.
0.
Okay. Okay. And here, and okay, and take that, take this, and take this, and I'm not worried about that, and take this, spot the mate, this. This. Okay, and this undermines, and this is good for a pin, and this is good for winning material. I think, can we not do this with that? Okay, okay, so here, get a sort of mating thing going, and nice little combination, and Queen G1 looks cute. Alright about that. Bishop C6. Oh, not sure about this. Is there anything straightforward? There's Bishop A4, isn't there? That was sneaky. And we can throw in a check. No! No! Oh, managed to win that one. 75! 75! Okay. There's no coffee here. But one more for the road.
10,
one more for the road.
9, 8, 7,
okay.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Focus.
1,
Focus.
0.
Uh-huh. And rook c7 is a check. But now what? Win the rook? Maybe. Pass pawn. And oh, and what about taking on g5? Okay, can I take here? No, bishop f1 was needed. Okay, got it. Controlling c1 there. Okay. This pin, this guy. And I don't know what check. And no, there's rook h8, wasn't there? I suspect there was rook h8. Oh, that was too close for comfort. 52, 59. Too close for comfort. The scoreboard there. Okay, let's do this again.
4, 3,
let's do this again.
2,
One last one.
0.
One last one. Okay. So, accept. Okay, yes, queen takes. Of course. Let's throw in a check first. Uh-huh. 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 Interrupt. And take the queen off. And here. And here it's a pinned pawn, and this is a check, and this guy. Oh, okay. There's not too many options, but we win material there, and we mate there, and can I not take this guy? No, it's check. Okay, it helps play a legal move. Okay, this is a good check, isn't it? And we have a nice winning material there. And material. Okay. Oh, knight takes d5 is tempting. I don't know. Oh, third. Whoa. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Okay, one last one.
10,
I think the next time I come first, I'm going to end this session.
7,
Otherwise, these sessions
6,
get too big.
5,
Bit
4,
of focus here.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay. And Oh no, I meant bishop d5. Yeah, I saw it after. Too late. What? What? Okay. If I go here, or knight f5 is better. Or knight f5. Okay, I think I'm going to take. No, knight f5 maybe was the way forward there. Okay, and here, what is this? What is this about? Oh, crikey, I don't know. Nope, it wasn't about that. That was for sure. And now, knight f6. And, I don't know, bishop e5 maybe. Okay, pinned pawn. No, not knight f6. Not knight f6. Oh, I managed to win that race, but I was not very convincing. I think I was not very convincing. Just one last one. It's approaching 1 p.m. This is my deadline. 1 p.m. I'm gonna. This is the last one.
9,
the last one.
8.
Okay.
7.
This is very addictive.
6,
Very addictive
5,
stuff.
4,
Check out my tactics
3,
course, Kingscrusher TV
2,
/chess tactics.
1,
But that's not all
0.
about speed. It's about in general. Playing, but this is all about speed, which is very, very exciting, though, I must admit. Very, very exciting about speed. Okay, what can we do here? Okay. And here we go. Maybe g7 and queen. And rook e8. And queen. Ooh. I suppose c8 was the issue. And queen g7. And queen g7. Okay. And then what? And then what? Rook f1. Okay, and here, what? Oh, I see. Okay, and here, take the queens off. And here, whoa, 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 no! Oh, rook f8, hang on. Let's just win the queen technicality there. Well, okay, I think I'm going to have to stop there. This is just too addictive. I hope you enjoyed these racing sessions. You can put it at slower speeds if you want to catch up on the tactics. If it's a bit too quick for you, yeah, just put it on half speed or something. I think it's good fun. It's very, very addictive new feature, and I think it's good for doing a quick fun video for me. I hope you enjoy it. But also, if you want to check out my tactics course or tactics training, they should help eventually. You get faster and trying to maintain accuracy on your tactics. So really, you should be taking, for training mode, just take as long as you want, stretch your visualization, evaluation, calculation. But when you come to this kind of exam, hopefully, you do get quicker on this kind of for speed. But training, I would recommend taking your time over tactical problems and really trying to get those patterns. Okay. Comments, questions, like, share, subscribe, all appreciated. Thanks very much.